people for follower hype. Him do it for clothes and followers. And he get it there. Me not do that for get no clothes and follower. Now what you not tell me say? What you not tell me say?
Peach with your 3 followers. Send Uncle Derrick one lion boy your hello.
Them.
Boy.
That's how I want to play.
I've never expected because I never know about it.
I'm starting to come up from my name. At 2025 now. Me shit bad, me no fuck girl. Me never take a rubber till I be a man me catch. Me not have the curve in a waist. Me not mad them for this. What are this man
Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen, guy. Tap up the screen.
This.
Tap up the screen.
I'm starting to come up from my name. At 2025 now.
Listen.
Live, Derrick Bagga, live.
Yeah, no?
Please. Live. In the name of
Yeah, my
Jesus.
fast me, you know? Where the one president Sam Philip go? Me don't know him yard. I'm in another film, say my Sam Philip. Leave his part. One president on TikTok. Tell me something Philip go, sir. Sir, tell me something Philip go. I want to know if you tell you, say, when Philip go. If you honor your crutches, or your yard, me there, you have to tell me start if you leave and go. One president for TikTok, tell me if you go. Because you that disrespect people on TikTok. One, you have to know, say, you can't disrespect me. And your Friday, the gift that you must get yesterday, it must have, I must take to your head now. Boy, I'm not frightened for them or something. I'm not frightened, Papa. Papa, I'm not frightened. I look close and follow. I have close and follow. A long time I'm on blood clot TikTok. Don't sorry for me a blood clot. One president, me bomber clot tell you say, one bomber clot Derrick. Now frightened for you, I not go come on TikTok and argue with you because I don't know you. And I can't quarrel with people where I can't see them bomber clot face. Here advise me all the blood clot. No, I can't see your face, nobody can see yourself on TikTok. All you depend. You get up your coach people forget gift and followers. You get up your coach Rosalie, your coach Jaden, your coach everybody upon his blood clot. You when ready to come take our set for Miss Bling and move your bomber clot and go, Papa. Move your blood clot and go. You may a bomber clot tell you about your name one bomber clot president. What bomber president we now we stand when your name bomber clot president. That is why you come on bomber clot TikTok. You want to get blood clot. You want hype on about your bomber clot. You can't hype on me a blood clot. Go here, sir. Move your bomber clot and go suck some shit. Or suck some pussy if you fuck suck pussy. Where you know just get up on a car, people are bomber clot, bat him and people are this. Come suck out me blood clot. President, Blamdem where you want bomber clot name. You want to change the name for you want to change the blood clot name, President, your blood clot. TikTok and lock down on your blood clot for it. Or get up on your big bomber look at work. You have to prefer look at if you got blood clot work. We can't work me old blood clot man. Me old a blood clot. Me a 79 year old to blood clot. Me can't work. Me old to blood clot. And you're young. You're young no blood clot. Go ahead. Dead dog, dead meat. The blood clot, dead meat. Move your blood clot.